Hello everyone, this is Sresh from SkyMom, and today I am going to explain you about dimensional tools. Okay, so dimensional tools are used to measuring lines, measuring the radius, measuring angle and many other things. Okay, so here in annotation tab, here you are having the option of dimensions. Okay, so if you will drop down this, you will be getting several options such as linear, aligned, angular, arc length, radius, diameter, ordinate and jog. Okay, so today we are going to learn about these all dimensional tools. Okay, so linear, so shortkey for linear is DLI, enter. Okay, so linear is used to measure straight lines, like for example if it is a straight horizontal and vertical line, it is used to measure these kind of lines. Okay, so here what I am going to do is I am going to specify the first endpoint, I am going to specify the second endpoint, drag it up and keep it, so you can see it will be able to show you the dimension. Okay, same way next after linear, next here you are having align. So now whenever you are having cross lines like this, okay, like if it is not straight, so that time you can't use linear over here. Okay, so that time you will be using the next dimensional tool, that is align. Okay, shortkey for dimension aligned is DAL, enter. So again here I am going to specify the first endpoint, I am going to specify the second endpoint, drag it up and keep it here, so you can see it is measuring you the distance of cross lines. Okay, same way next after align, next here you are having angular. Okay, so now if you want to measure angle over here, okay, so you can use angular dimensional tool. Okay, shortkey for angular is DAN, enter. So specify the first point, first line and the second line, and you can see it will be able to give you the angle like this. Okay, so it is 45-degree angle. So next after angular, next here you are having arc length. So if you want to measure the arc length of an arc, so you can use arc length dimensional tool. Okay, shortkey for arc length is DAR, enter. So just select the arc curve and just drag it up and keep it, so you will be able to get the length of an arc. Okay, like this. So next after this is radius. So if you want to measure a radius of a circle, so you can use this radius dimensional tool. Okay, shortkey for this is DRA, enter. So just select the circumference of the circle, so you can measure the radius of the circle like this. Okay, suppose if you want to measure the diameter, you can use this diameter dimensional tool. Okay, shortkey for that is DDI, enter. So if you want to measure the radius, here what I will be doing is I will be selecting diameter dimensional tool. Okay, so shortkey for that is DDI, enter. Okay, so just again you are going to select the circumference of the circle and you will be able to measure the diameter. Okay, so next after diameter, next here you are having ordinate. Okay, so ordinate is nothing but if you want to know the x, y and the z value, so you can use this ordinate dimensional tool. Okay, shortkey for that is DOR, enter. So just select the point, like for example this point I want to know the x value, so if you drag it towards the x axis, it will give you the x value. If you drag it towards the y axis, it will give you this y value. If you are there in 3D and if you are going to drag it up till z axis, it will give you the z value. So next after this, at last comes jog. Okay, so jog is nothing but, now for example whenever you are viewing continuations, you will be showing zigzag lines. Okay, so now here what you want to do is you want to show the continuation as well as you want to give the radius of the circle. So what you can do is you can use jogged over here. Okay, so click on jog, select the circumference of the circle, and you can see you are able to measure the radius of the circle as well as you are going to get a zigzag line like this. Okay, so this was all about dimensional tool. To subscribe, you can like the video.